Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cool double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, you're going to want to open your photo in Photoshop. Click on the Quick Selection tool or press W on the keyboard. Here I am making a selection of what I would like to double expose. Once the selection is made, press Command J to put the selection on a new layer. Select the crop tool or press C to widen the canvas. Clean up the pixel poopies that have been left behind. Select New Layer and name it Background. Click on Add New Fill Layer and select Solid Color. Now it is time to bring the photo you want to double expose into Photoshop. Once opened, first you're going to need to unlock the layer. Press Command T to transform, right-click, and then select Flip Horizontal. Click on the Move tool and move the photo to the other tab. Drop the opacity of the second image to 50% so you can see where you want to compose the image. Command-click on the selection, then click on the second image and select New Layer Mask. Copy the selection by pressing Option and click and drag above the photo. Change the blend mode from Normal to Lighten. Click on the layer mask and make black the foreground color. Select the brush and adjust the opacity to 28%. Begin to paint on the layer mask to reveal the model. Reduce the opacity as needed until you find the desired effect.